Hey there, in this video I'll show you how to reorder posts in Google Classroom. One quick thing to note, you can only reorder posts that are organized under topics on the classwork page. Posts on the Stream tab can't be manually reordered, since they're always in chronological order. Open your browser and head to classroom.google.com. If you're not already signed in, log in with your Google account. You'll see your homepage load with all your classes displayed as cards. Click on the class card that contains the posts you want to reorder. The class page will open up, and you'll be on the Stream tab by default. Next, click on the Classwork tab at the top of the page. Once that loads, you'll see all your topics and the posts organized under them. This is where we can actually reorder things. On the left sidebar, click All Topics if it's not already selected. This view lets you see all your topics and posts at once. Now find the post you want to move. Click anywhere on that postcard and drag it up or down to wherever you want it. As you're dragging, you'll see the other posts shift around to make room. Once you've got it in the right spot, release your mouse button and the post drops into its new position. You can repeat this with any posts you need to move. Just remember, you can only move posts within the same topic. If you want to move a post to a different topic, you'll need to edit the post itself and reassign it. Once you've reordered your posts, the changes are automatic. There's no save button to click, it's done immediately. Your students will see the new order right away, and the change syncs across all devices instantly. Thanks for watching.